In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete order on TradingView Mobile charts. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect when you cancel a pending order on the TradingView Mobile app. Start by opening the TradingView app on your phone. Once it loads, head to the bottom toolbar and switch to the Chart tab. This brings up your active chart and also places all the trading controls within easy reach, which is helpful when you're managing orders directly from your phone. Next, look along the bottom for the broker icon. This is where TradingView connects to your brokerage and where your live and pending orders are listed. If your broker is linked, you'll see account info and trading options here. Tap the icon to open the trading panel. Inside the trading panel, go to the orders section. This is your list of open working orders that haven't filled yet. Find the specific order you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm the symbol, order type, price, and quantity so you're canceling the right one. When you're sure, tap the order to open its details. From the order details, tap Cancel Order. TradingView will ask you to confirm to prevent accidental taps. Tap Cancel Order again to confirm. After a brief moment, the order should disappear from your open orders list, and it will no longer appear on the chart. If you still see it, pull down to refresh the orders panel or wait a second for the status to update. Keep in mind, if an order fills at the same time you try to cancel, the cancel option may be unavailable because the trade has already executed. In that case, check your positions to verify the fill. That's all there is to it. Open TradingView, go to the chart, tap the broker icon, enter the orders section, select the order, and confirm the cancellation. Always double check the details before confirming, and remember that canceling a pending order won't affect any positions that have already been filled.